Hello, you three. Today we're going to explore how to use the doubling strategy in order to solve how to work out 4 multiples of 7. So first of all, I'm going to create one multiple of 7 using the MAB blocks. So I'm going to make one group of 7 here. One, two, three, four, 5. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7. And I'm going to combine these because that's going to make it easier for the next part. Next, I'm going to double this, and that will give me our first double. Okay, so here is one multiple of 7, and here is our double. Now, in order to work out our 4 multiples, we need to double that again. So I'm going to copy all of this, and I'm going to change it to a different color just so that we can see what that will look like. And I'm going to change it to this color. So now I've got 4 multiples of 7. To work out what that amount is, I've got one multiple of 7 here. When I double that, I have 14, and when I double that again, I've got 28. Now, that is a really quick and efficient way that we can work out by using doubling of how to work out doubling and finding out multiples of numbers.